Say hi guys ulit.
Hi
Kumain pa
guys!
tayo niyan yan.
We have to go there. So,
Ni coffee.
yes.
Hi guys, so we're going to...
My Tito Biagis know how to, is an expert at,
Parintana ba?
is an expert at dancing, expert of singing,
Kaya kung paano
Yeah.
yung bukay niyo. Kaya kaya
and
tatana
expert
mag-clean na.
of cleaning,
Yeah.
and
So?
expert of cleaning the floor.
Yeah. So, hi guys, so for today's video, we are here at parking lot. So we're going inside of the coffee.
Yes.
So say hi, Kuya.
Hi.
Then,
My name is Johan. So, me and my family, we're here explore in a broken lane.
yeah. Then this is Ate.
Ate, say hi.
Say hi, Ate.
May susunod.
And this is Jellica. Jellica, say hi.
That's my mom.
Yeah.
Tulog pwede tayo. Kasi lang pala yung motor lang. Nanong oras na tayo. Iloy talit ako.
Right of the cafe. So this is the place.
Wow.
So hi guys, this is Ate. Fresh from the farm. Say hi. Hi guys, so for today's video, we're going there, get some drinks, our drinks. And this is Ate, ang Latina. So yun guys, wait lang kayo. Bye. This is our drinks. Swawa. Back to you guys. So this is our drinks. Ayan. This is my drinks. Lemonade.
Vlogger ka na pala ngayon.
This is Ate. Naka-coffee lang siya. Perfect.
Para sa pare ko.
Ayan. So let's taste it. Taste it. Ayan guys.
Dahil ma-violation ka na agad.
So let's taste it. Cheers.
Ganda dito. Dito sa buhay nito.
Maslam.
Hintay ka ng pait.
Sobrang maslam. Like lemon talaga siya. Yun lang guys ha. Like yun naman kasi bakit ako sa inyo guys yung food namin. Okay? Bye for now. Food. Good. Ito na po yung order nila ma'am. So get our order. Hi guys, so ito na po yung food namin. Say hi. Thank you po sa nagpalibre si Denise. Charas. So ayun na guys, kain tayo guys. Let's taste it. Taste it. Hi guys, let's taste it. This is my food pala. Ayan. Kain tayo guys. Wow. Hi guys. Hi.
Yung ano?
Go with diet. Huh? How is it wrap? Is it wrap? Hi. Wow. Our food is wow. Right? So guys, hi guys, tikman natin yung pizza nila. Let's taste it. Wow! Ang tabang. Tabang. Kailangan kaukaw dito. Wow, ang tabang naman. Guys, may sabi. Oo. Ano yung price?
Yummy.
Hi guys, so this is my drinks. Lemonade. So for Aslam. Thank you. See you guys ha. Bye. So yun guys, uuwi na kami. Tapos na kami kumain. So ayan. Your bag. Where's your bag? Ay, ayun na pala. Uuwi na kami guys. Bye. So yun guys. Say hi ate. Ayan. Uwi ng ate ko at meron kaming take out. So, let's go guys. Uwi na kami.
Mas makakaya pa ngayon ang mabili pa ngayon. Bukas na mo.
Hi guys! So ngayon, pauwi na kami. Tapos na kami kumain sa Our Cafe. So, amin yun guys. No, hindi kami dito. So yun lang guys. Bye for now. Sinong dudu yan sa'yo, baby? Nangyari sa vlog kasi ganyan lang.
Wait lang yun. Wait, tignan mo yung vlog.
Sa'yo. So, hi guys. Nandito na kami. Nakauwi na kami guys. We're home.
Guys.
Ano pa? Ayan.
Hare pa dahil.
So, yun guys. Andito na kami.